How to make transparent text in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can make transparent text in Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Capcut application. Click on New Project and select any type of green screen. You can find this type of green screen in Google. Just search for it and download. Once you are on this page, now click on this text button at the bottom of the screen. Again, click on Add Text button and select any text you want. For example, I want to add this text. Once you add your text, click on this check mark button. Now you can expand your video as you like. Once you do this, click on this export button and again tap on save to device. After that, again click on done button and here you will have this video on your gallery. Again click on new project and select the video where you want to add the transparent text. Once you select your video, click on add button. Now tap on overlay button at the toolbar. Again click on add overlay. Now select the green screen video you have just created. Once you add your green screen, again select the place where you want to add this green screen. Now search for the remove BG option at the toolbar. Click on it. Again click on chroma key and select the green color. Tap on intensity and slide the slider until the green color completely disappears. Once you do that, click on this check mark option and again go back to the toolbar and here search for this blend option. Click on it. Now here are different options you can use in order to make the text transparent. For example, you can use this filter option and select the slider how much transparent you want in the text. You can also use this darken button or you can also use this overlay, slide, lighten. There are different options you can use. For example, I will use this filter button. Once you are okay with the video, finally click on this check mark option at the bottom of the screen. Now you can export the video and that's it. In this way, you can make the text transparent in the Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.